Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Engineering Textbook, a place where you will get conceptual knowledge of every aspects of engineering. So let's continue with our subject strength of material. Today we will study about concept of stress and strain and its types. So let's begin. Stress. Every material is elastic in nature. That is why whenever some external system of force acts on the body, it undergoes some deformation. This resistance per unit area to deformation is known as stress. Let's see proper definition of it. It is defined as internal restoring force per unit cross-sectional area. It is a type of resisting force that acts on a body per unit area. When this resisting force is exerted by the body to avoid deformation, it is known as stress. When a body is subjected to external loading, the body undergoes some deformation. At the same time, internal force's resistance is developed. This force of resistance is due to cohesion of molecule inside the body. Thus, stress is induced in the body upon external action of load. If the body is able to resist the external load, it is said to be stable, in equilibrium, and therefore, for this condition, internal force of resistance should be equal to external load. By definition, stress is force upon area. It is denoted by sigma. SI unit of stress is Newton per mm square. Strain. Whenever a single force acts on a body, it undergoes some deformation. This deformation per unit length is known as strain. See in the figure, the load is applied in external direction. This is original length and this is change in length due to the applied load. Therefore, increasing length after load applied. This is increase in length after load applied. That is deformation. So, mathematically, strain is deformation per unit length. Strain is defined as ratio of change in dimension to original dimension. It is a ratio. So due to it is a ratio, strain has no unit. Strain is change in length upon original length. Types of stresses. There are three types of stresses. Compressive, which is inward in direction, tensile, which is outward in direction, and shear, which is parallel to the plane. Tensile stress. Tensile stress arises when two equal and opposite force acts on the body in different direction. It results in increasing length of a body. Ratio of increasing length and original length is called tensile strain. So tensile stress acts normally to area and pull out area of body. Compressive stress. It induced in body when it is subjected to two equal and opposite force act in the same direction of a body. Compressive stress results decrement in length of a body. Shear stress. Shear stress induced in body when it is subjected to two equal and opposite force tangentially across the section. Due to this force, body becomes shear from restricting section area.
So guys, that's all for today. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.